Black man, what you gonna do pretending to your people
What you gonna do?
that everybody's brutalizing your people and you sitting back unconcerned and not doing anything? Hello? The woolly man is sitting back all over the world, north, south, east, and west. And how the people, he's killing his people. And how the people are stifling your people from material success. Because a lot of people need material success. And they cannot accomplish it on their own. Somebody has to let them accomplish it. And our people is not helping each other. Our people are not helping each other. No matter where you go, our people are fighting against each other. Because of envy, or gravelicious, or bad mind, or covetous. All of this is taking place by our people plus other people that have jealousy towards us. Why do they have jealousy towards us, the woolly people? Because we are the original people of the planet and we have a speciality that they do not have. So the jealousy and the envy comes in because of that. And they will do anything, anything to get rid of us. And that's what is taking place. They will try to move us from the land that we inherit. They will try to kill our babies. They will try to kill our four-footed beasts. They will try to contaminate the water or the food to get rid of us. And some of our people are trying to help them to get rid of us. They did that in the past and they're continuing to do that in the present. And also, our people are helping the enemies to continue with their brutality towards us. Some are doing it in secret places, and some are doing it openly in public because they have to get rid of us. Why? Because the earth belongs to us and all the four-footed beasts, and we are a barrier in their way. So the only way they can get rid of us is to bring all these germs warfare towards our people. Or you want to call them people of color. I call them the woolly people. Hello? And why we are the woolly people? Because we came from the earth. And people change things around that we came from the God or the gods and the Jesus. So we have a barrier and confusion. So our mind become contaminated by the doing of the white man and the saying of the white man. So what we going to do towards our people? The preacher is preparing the black men to go to heaven. And his preparation is to let you go to heaven and live with this white man you call Jesus. And this white man you call God. So there's a screw get into the brains and it's keep on screwing with a screwdriver. So every time you read this book, your mind becomes tangled again. Keep on tangling until you're completely tangled into this Jesus. See this Jesus there? Your mind becomes tangled in him. So you will live with him for the rest of your life, and you can drink milk and honey, and where we live does fill with gold. So just think about it. So you do not want to get your riches on the planet, as you call it, riches. Abundantly of four-footed beasts, with pastures and acres of land. You don't want that, because you will be living with this guy. And you will be drinking milk and honey. You know what I'm saying? So you will be content. You will be happy. And that's all the preachers are teaching his people, the black preachers. That everything is in heaven and you will rejoice there when you get there. But you have to die to go there. That's the messed up part. You have to die. But this is what I'm trying to say to my black people. When you die, you have no remembrance of anything in your past life. Are also in the present. What you know in the past life will be forgotten. You're not going to remember your children, or your father, or your mother. Very simple. Because the men of old, they already go through that already. They said, hey, check it out, man. You're alive. You do everything right now that your hand can see to do. Got your eyes see to do. You do it right now. Because now you're better. A living dog is better than a dead lion. So don't worry about it when you die. The lion is big and strong, but he died. And the dog is a scavenger, but he's better than the lion. So those guys were smart in their speech in that past time. They say, look, anything your eyes see that you can do with your hand, go ahead and do it. Because a living dog is better than a dead lion. You check that out. and you check it out. And you check it out. And let me know what you think. Peace. Respect.